So in the previous video, class 5, I told you that every computer has a unique address as far as internet is concerned, and that address is known as domain name. Now page number 24, the email address is a unique address of any user on the internet using email services. Okay, so understand the difference. Domain name was the address of the computer, while email address is the unique address of any user who is using the Gmail services. Okay children, there are three parts of email address which are as follows. You must have seen the email addresses somewhere. Okay, maybe you might be having your own email ID as well. Okay, so there are three parts of the email addresses. First is username or account name. Like in this case, info is the username. Symbol @ is pronounced as @. Okay, this symbol is pronounced as @ and you can find it in the keyboard also. And then domain name of the email service provider, for example Yahoo, domain name yahoo.com, Google, domain gmail.com, Rediff, domain name rediffmail.com, etc. The username, also known as account name or login name, come first. It identifies the user, the username and domain are separated by the symbol @. Okay, so this is username. It is unique for every user. Okay, if you are 60 children, then all the 60 children will have unique domain names, usernames. Okay, even if you have same name, so like what you do, if you have like there are Ananyas in class 5, so Ananya 1, Ananya 2, Ananya 3, like that. So even in this case you will have to do something to distinguish your name. Okay children, then this is @ symbol. It will always be present in the email ID. And this is domain name. This is how we identify as to in which program our email ID is there. Okay, this is the domain name, means this is unique as far as the computer is concerned, program is concerned. Okay children, like in my case, my email ID is Pooja Bajpayee. Okay, 2980 @gmail.com. Okay, so here all the letters are Pooja Bajpayee. So there might be many thousands and millions of Pooja Bajpayee around the globe. So my name is uniquely identified by these 4 numbers. Okay, so I tried various combinations to make, and then I figured out that this is the best combination, and then this, and my email ID is in this platform. Okay children, so now this name cannot be given to any Pooja Bajpayee. Okay, at least in the Gmail. They may be given in other programs but not in the Gmail. Okay, so this way you will form your username your user ID. Now, how to create an email account? We will just go through the introduction part, and then we will later on go through its detail. An email address is essential to send or receive messages. You may be charged money for your email accounts by email service providers, or it may be free. Okay, so why do you need email addresses? Because we are living in today's world, which is so much dependent on the online content. Okay, right now you can see because of corona we are like staying at our home, and we are practically we are performing every task from home only, whether your parents or your teachers or even you. Okay, so in that case we all need email address, just like we need a home address. Same way we all need a email address, so that whatever we need can be sent us directly on the email address, whatever that we need online, like any document or any paper or anything like that, or even the message from our loved ones. So many of our relatives are staying out of India, so we need them to connect to us. Okay, so how we will connect? If we are calling, it is very expensive, so we can connect them through mail, email, and that is why we need email address. Okay children, and at times it is being charged also, and they are free also. So we will learn what are we going to learn. Let us learn how to register for free email ID in www.gmail.com. So we will learn to register through the this portal, this program, because there we are provided the email ID free of cost. Okay, so what you are going to do in today's homework, you are going to read all this, all the steps. Okay, some of you might be knowing it, and for some it is new. So in the next period we will discuss about all this. Okay children, we will discuss about all these things and how we are going to form the ID. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.